You study, but after some time, you forget things. And when exams come, you can't even recall half of what you studied. That's exactly what makes you average. Because in today's time, not doing smart work doesn't mean your memory is weak or that you're less intelligent. Today, I'm going to tell you 5 smart, hidden study mistakes that are silently destroying your memory and focus. And chances are you're doing them every single day. If you don't fix these mistakes right now, no matter how much you study, the result will stay the same. And the last one is the most important. First mistake, rereading. You open the book, read the same page 2 to 3 times, and you feel like, yeah, now I understand it. But this is where the biggest mistake happens. Think, you studied a chapter yesterday. Today, you read it again and everything feels familiar. Feels like you remember everything, right? Then in the exam, the question is slightly twisted and your mind goes blank because you didn't actually memorize it, you just recognized it by seeing it. This is called fake productivity. You feel busy, but your progress is 0. So, what's the solution? Simple. Active recall. Close the book and ask yourself, what did I study? Either write it or explain it out loud. At first, it will feel tough. You will get stuck too, but that struggle is what makes your memory strong. Second mistake, comfort zone study. You sit down to study and automatically pick the topic that feels easy. The one you already somewhat know, you just keep polishing it. And the tough one, you say, I'll do it later. But the truth is, studying is not just for exams. It teaches you how to handle hard situations. When you run away from tough topics, you're actually running away from your growth. The same thing happens in exams. The paper doesn't check your strength, it checks your weakness. What does that mean? If you choose easy every time, you will never become strong. The solution is simple. Start with discomfort. Give your first study hour to the toughest topic. Face that struggle, because that's what makes you mentally strong. Easy things keep you busy. Hard things make you better. Remember, the comfort zone feels safe, but that's what makes you average. Third mistake, no testing. You keep studying, and you feel like you know everything. But as soon as the exam comes, your confidence suddenly drops because you never faced a real situation. The problem is not that you don't know. The problem is that you never checked. You are familiar, but not prepared. Follow this simple system. 1. Daily, micro test. After every study session, 5 to 10 minutes. Close the book and write or recall out loud. This is your instant checking 1. Weekly, real test. Every Sunday, 1 proper test. Set a time, like exam, without notes. Full focus, no distraction. Mistake analysis, most important. Giving a test is not enough. Spend 2 times time on analysis, where you made mistakes. Concept was weak or silly mistake. Monthly, full revision test, mixed test of the whole syllabus. This shows your real level. 4th mistake. Same study method for all subjects. You're studying every subject in the same way, whether it's maths, theory, or concepts. And then you think, why am I not getting results even after so much effort? Problem is simple. Every subject has a different nature. Your approach is the same. You can't understand maths just by reading. It needs practice. Theory won't work by cramming. It needs recall. And to understand concepts, you need visualization and examples. If the method is wrong, effort becomes double, result becomes half. What's the solution? Change your strategy according to the subject. Maths equals practice plus repetition. Theory equals active recall. Concepts equals visualize plus simplify. The most important, timing. In the morning or at the start of your study hours. Study the toughest subject plus problem-solving one like math numericals. If both method and timing are wrong, effort will be double, result will be half. Solution, set both strategy and time according to the subject. 5th and most dangerous mistake, dopamine overload. First understand, what is dopamine? Dopamine is your brain's feel-good chemical. When you do something enjoyable like watching reels, games, scrolling, dopamine spikes. The problem starts when your brain becomes addicted to fast dopamine. Then what happens? Short videos equals instant fun, books equals start feeling boring. That's why you get distracted within 5 to 10 minutes. That means the problem is not focus, it's your habits. Solution is simple. Put your phone away. 20 minutes before study. Make this a habit. As soon as you decide to study, from 1 hour before that, no reels, no scrolling. And during study, keep your phone at a physical distance. At first, it will feel difficult. In 2 to 3 days, your focus will return to normal. Remember, the rule, control dopamine. Otherwise, it will control you. If you don't have consistency, then study just 30 minutes a day and keep adding just 5 minutes daily without pressure. Stay consistent. Slow growth builds long-term focus and strong habits. If you found this knowledge useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.